Okay, so very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss significant figures. So, till now we have seen fractions, addition of fractions, we have seen subtraction of fractions, we have seen multiplication of fractions, we have seen division of fractions, and even we have seen combination of algebraic expression and even how to put a bracket symbol. We also discussed about bid mass rule in my last video. The very last topic in this particular chapter number in chapter 1 is significant figures. So that we are going to discuss today, that is exercise 6 and 6 star. Okay, so the very first question is, what is significant figure? Okay, what is significant figure? Significant figure. So significant figures are actually non-zero figures. Non-zero figures are called as significant figures. Means 1 to 9. If anywhere it will be there, it will be called as significant figure. But now our students, they need not to worry. In 11th and 12th standard, little bit that definition will be varying, that which should be counted as significant figure or which should not be counted as significant figure. That will be there in 11th standard, and that I will be telling you separately. Okay, so all scientific notations are written in that manner. But here what we are going to discuss about, that non-zero figures are called as significant figure. Second question will be there, that decimal places. Decimal places. Decimal places means after putting decimal, if you are putting any number 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, so we need to write, like here it is there, write correct to 2 decimal places, 1 decimal place, 3 decimal place, like this it will be there. Similarly for significant figures also, the question will be given like 3 significant figures, 2 significant figures, 1 significant figure. Okay, so this two topic is mainly discussed in this exercise 6 and 6 star. Okay, right. So now if it is given to us, write correct to 1 significant figure. Now what actually is required here, one more thing I will tell you, that is called rounding off. Rounding off, which is very important. So if the following number is equal to or greater than 5, then the preceding number will be increased by 1. Okay, increased by 1. Like suppose here it is there, if we need to find in this question correct to 3 significant figure, okay, or 4 significant figure. So now if we want to find 4 significant figure, means 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, we will see fifth one. If fifth figure is 5 or greater than 5, then our answer will become 3 and this 4 will become 5. We need to increase this preceding number by 1. Okay, so that is called rounding of the digits. So if we need to find with the 3 significant figure, we will see fourth one. If we need to find 4 significant figure, we will see that fifth one, whether it is greater than 5 or less than 5. If less than 5 is there, there will not be any change. In case of less than 5, no change. Right? Okay. So now let us start solving these questions utilizing the method which we have already discussed now. So for this question, write correct to 1 significant figure. So if 1 significant figure is there, it means this 7. I need to see the second one. Second one is more than 5, this is 8. So this 7 will become 8 and another significant will become simply 0, 800. Okay, So this 783 has become 800. Now for this particular case, again we will see second significant figure. So this 7, which is more than 5, it will increase, it will make 8 to get increased to 9, means 1 will be added, and remaining will become, so how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining 4 zeros we will get. Okay, correct. Now next one, in this, write correct to 3 significant figures. So 3 significant figures means we need to write, use this 373. But in this case, what it is there, the following number is greater than 5. It means 3 will become 4, and we can write 3740. Okay, 3740. The fourth digit will become 0. Similarly, for this one, 3 significant figure means we need to use this one, but 9 is greater than 5, so it will become 80300. Okay, right. So I hope you all have understood now. So it is 2 significant figure is there. So 2 significant figures after decimal, non-zero digits are there. Okay, so 0.43 up to 2 significant if we will write, so this 3 will become 4, so 0.44, and up to 2 significant figures only. No need to write here 0. Why? Because there is no meaning of placing 0 afterwards if any non-zero digit is there. But after decimal, if any 0 is there, that we cannot remove, compulsorily we have to keep. Okay. In this case, it will become 0.56, right? Okay. In this case, up to 3 significant figure we need to find. So it will become 0.506. Why it is? This 0 also will be there. If in between 2 non-zero digit, if 0 is there, that we need to place compulsorily. Okay, right. Now in this case, up to 3, so 0.105. So this 5, we did not to put 0 here. Okay. Now coming to decimal places. So decimal places are what? 2 decimal place. So before decimal, it will be as it is. Then 2 decimal means we need to use these 2 only. This 7 is greater than 5. So it will make it as 78. Okay. Similarly, this one will become 0.65 only, because 4 is less than 5. So there will not be any change in this 5. This one, we need to find only up to 1 decimal place. Okay. So in this case, this number is 0. So no effect will be there in this one. So 3.0 only. Okay. That is asked, that's why we are writing 0.0. Otherwise there is no use, it will be 3 only. Okay. Next one. This one will become 9 point. Due to this 9 here 1 will come, so 9.1. Okay. Right. Now our question is, write the speed which is given here correct to 3 significant figure. So 3 significant figure means up to only this one. Okay. So if this 3 significant figure is there, then what will be there? Next one, 7. So 7 is there, and this 7 will make this 9 to become, means to get added one more. So this 299 will get added with one more. So it will become 300. Okay. And remaining 0. Do not forget, remaining will be 0. Okay. So for A. Now for 6 significant figures are there. It means we have to utilize this much, 6. But 4 is lesser than 5, so there will not be any effect. So it will become 299, 792 and 000 meter per second. Here also we need to write meter per second. Okay, in this case diameter of a hair is given 0.0185. So for two decimal place our answer will come, okay, two decimal place. So 0.01, as 8 is greater than 5, so it will become 0.02 mm. For B, it is two significant figure is there. It means 0.0 will be there, but significant figure up to 1 and 8 only it is there. Okay, so this 5 is greater than 5 is equal to 5, so it will make this 8 to increase by 1. So 0.019. So here two significant non-zero digits only are called as significant figure. That's why it has gone up to 19. Okay, whereas it is, if decimal places we are talking about, then it will be up to 3 places of decimal. Okay. Similarly for this, write this correct price, this price to 4 significant figures. So 4 significant figures means 1793 and this 6, which will be making this 3 to increase by 1. So it will become dollar, okay, 1794, and then remaining will become 0. Okay, right? Okay, 179400 and this much. Now the distance around the equator is 40075 kilometer. Write this distance correct to one significant figure only. One significant figure means this 4 only. So it will become 4, remaining part will become 0. Okay, 40,000 kilometer. Okay. Now this exercise 6 star, in that only the word type statement problem I have taken, all questions I have not taken. Okay, so here also we can see that correct to 3 decimal place. Okay, so 3 decimal place means only 0.000. This also is less than 5, so it will become only 0.000. Okay, right. Now 3 significant figures are there. So in this case it will be 0.000. 3 significant figure means 497. Due to this 5 it will become 498. Okay, right. Now root 2. What is the value of root 2? 1.414214. Okay, so this is the value. We need to write up to 6 decimal place. So if we are writing up to 6 decimal place means 1.4142, so 24 and again 14. Okay, 6 significant figures. In that 6 significant figures, this one also will be counted. Okay, so this one will become 1.41421. So 5 digits after decimal and 1 digit before decimal. Total it will be making 6 significant figures. Okay, right. Now here price is given to us. This price we need to write for 1 significant figure and 1 decimal place. So 1 significant figure if we are writing, okay, so it will become 1, remaining things will become 0. So 20204, okay, 40.00, and this one will be dollar. 1 decimal place, then 12721 will be written as it is, and point it will become 9, 8 will become 9. Okay, right. Now this one, the Bohr's radius is a physical constant of value. This much value is given. we need to write the correct radius up to 7 decimal place. Okay, so 7 decimal place, we can say that 0.36, and you can say due to this 5 it will become 1, so it is 1 mm. So 33617, 7 decimal place. B, 7 significant figures are there. So before that, whatever zeros are there, 3 zeros, one more zero, and from 5 we will start counting significant figures, non-zero numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 1 will not have any effect because it is less than 1. So up to 2 we need to write. So we will be writing 5, 2, 9, 1, 7, 7, 2. Okay, so this chapter is easy, it's not difficult. I feel that our students have understood it in a nice manner, and once they will be doing some practice, they will be pakka perfect, 100% perfect. Okay, so right, thank you very much. We will meet once again very soon. Thank you. Bye. Okay, right.